These are the Aravallis Mountains of Rajasthan, one of the oldest mountains of the world. On average, they are more than 2.5 to 3 billion years old, belonging to the Precambrian times. In fact, in India, Aravallis may be considered as the second oldest mountain system, the oldest being the Eastern Ghats of India along the eastern coast. The Aravallis have sedimentary marine rocks, which are primarily limestone metamorphosed. We also have sandstone. We also have quartzite rocks. Aravallis today are much eroded, much denuded, and the extent of Aravallis starts from somewhere near Delhi, the region called as Delhi Ridge. They go right down up to Palanpur in Gujarat, but effectively the highest regions of Aravallis is around Udaipur and Mount Abu, which is also famous hill station, the only hill station of Aravallis in Rajasthan.